caldereta. And then papa itan. What's in this?
Some of like the intestine part of the
Intestines?
yeah, of the goat.
Oh, I see stomach.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's stomach.
You know what pait means, right?
No.
Pait means bitter.
Bitter. Ah.
That's where the name.
I see liver, stomach, intestines. Okay. What's up, guys? So we're on our way to get some goat. It's at a car wash slash goat soup place. Ah, what's this? Do you want one too, baby? No? Just me?
Ilan ko yan?
50, 30. Let's do 30?
Isa ka 30.
Gatas ni
Ako ba yan?
I got it. All right. Should we try it right here while it's fresh? That's hot. So it's tofu, and then pearls, and then sugar and milk. It's like a hot milkshake. Mmm. I think he wants to be on the vlog. It's good. Do you want to try it? See how it compares to other.
It's not really super sweet.
Yeah.
Right. Or maybe we haven't mixed.
The straw is collapsing because it's so thick. Oh yeah, the sugar is all at the bottom. It's like hot caramelized sugar, hot tofu. It's a weird thing to drink. Nope. All right. No, thank you. I think you want to give us a ride. It's good. It's strange for me. I think I should have got the smaller one. This one's big.
That's the smallest.
Is it?
Oh, there's 25 already.
In Cebu, the Taho guy is only 10 pesos.
With that cup? With that size? Or the small?
Yeah, I think it's this size. Maybe it's a little bit smaller, but 10 pesos. Yeah, just, it's okay. You get in the cup in there. Yummy. All right, guys, we're gonna go get that goat now. We have a little refreshing breakfast treat. All right, let's see if they're open. I'll let you go and talk to them.
Ay, wala pa din. Sa kambingan. Open ang kambingan.
Okay.
Kambingan. Lahi ko din. Ayaw niya pa sila mga. Available po ang papalitan, kaldereta, adobo. Pilang serving yun? 150 po per order. Kaldereta.
Caldereta?
You never tried papaitan, right? You should try.
Okay.
It's a soup.
We'll do the caldereta and the papaitan.
Yeah, papaitan.
Yeah.
Order. Tapos duha ka rice. Caldereta o ka rice. Sige, yun siya sa nakakapag.
We're definitely early. Shall we just sit here?
So this is like a mini market because they have different restaurants. That's the other one. Here, they opened at 8 this afternoon.
Okay. And then it looks like a little coffee shop there. And then this used to be a car wash, I think. We even get our own personal fan. All right, let's see how the food is. So I have no idea what's in these except for goat. I guess I do know caldereta is like potatoes and carrots and like a tomato-y sauce. It tastes like Sloppy Joe sauce, but you put on vegetables and beef. But this time goat. So this is the goat caldereta, and then papaitan. What's in this?
Some of like the intestine part of the
Intestines.
yeah, of the goat.
Oh, I see stomach.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's stomach.
You know what pait means, right?
No.
Pait means bitter.
Bitter.
That's where the name.
I see liver, stomach, intestines. Okay. Well, let's see how the bitter soup is she made me buy. Let's try it. Chewy. It is a little bit bitter, but it's not bad. It tastes good. It's like just tastes like beef soup that's very chewy. How's the caldereta?
So good.
Yeah.
Try it.
Let me try it. Just a carrot. That's really good, actually. The sauce is very nice. You can see that it's even super like soft. Well, this is a good. It was $1.50 per bowl, which is about $3 per bowl, which is a little expensive for the Philippines, but it's like halal, so maybe that's more expensive. Plus, I found Davao is a little more expensive in general than Cebu for some reason, even though they have much more land. So you would think they'd have more farms. But I don't know how it works. So this was our adventure for this morning for breakfast. So we're gonna eat this, guys, and maybe we'll hit a little carinderia because we saw some crunchy pork, crispy pork skin fried up on the way back, right?
Yeah.
And she wants to stop for some.
Pinakupsan.
Yeah. So we had to come here so she could have rice. So we're gonna stop there so she can get pork. So we'll see you in a little bit. All right. So that was goat. I think that was my first goat in the Philippines. What's the final verdict, baby?
For the goat?
Yeah.
The overall?
Yeah.
The caldereta was not hot, so maybe 7 out of 10.
So, oh, sorry, I got distracted by the fire.
7 out of 10.
7 out of
Because it was not hot, the caldereta.
Yeah, I think it would have been refrigerated and then she just heated it up.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it was a little cold in spots, but the taste was good.
I don't know, the caldereta seems oily too. Right?
Oily?
Yeah.
Yeah, she said it was oily. I agree. It was okay. I don't think it was worth the price. I think if it was 100, it would have been more accurate to what it should be. But we're gonna go get some ice cream now at Ice Giant.
Yep.
It's like a halo.
That's popular dessert place here in Davao.
Yeah. There's a few ice cream places. There's the Happy Ice, which is like Chinese style shaved ice.
But it's in the downtown area.
Okay, yeah. So we'll go there when I'm at my next condo. This one is just for the first week. Then I've got another for 2 weeks. So we're gonna go now and just straight. Hopefully not get hit by a car while we cross the street, and we'll go get some ice cream. We'll see you in a bit.